Hello everyone. Presenting the all-new LaserWash 360. Check out this new entry pad. Alright, for the code it is 77882. Now here's how it works. You either hit credit card or you hit wash code. Right now we're going to hit the wash code.
Please enter your wash code.
And just dial in the keypads, like this.
7, 7, 8, 8, 2. The wash is available. Please enter wash now.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go into new LaserWash 360. Isn't that beautiful? Alright. Low gear. Here comes power wash. Sorry about the wipers, I can't see. Wait until the X appears. Alright, let the wash begin. Starting with pre-soak. Cool system, huh? Oh my, the lights are on. When I came in here, it was all dark. This time I did the ultimate wash. Here comes the second coat. That's the platinum wash. After that will be high pressure wash, or laser wash, the old-fashioned way. Right now we're soaking. Here comes laser wash. Sounds just like a 4000, but a newer motor. Triple phone coming our way. I think next up might be the Rams. Nope. I think so. Yeah, it's the rain. Ooh. Here comes something else. It's a slime. We're getting slime. Oh, there goes the sprayers again. What? Did you get wet? Look how close it got. Spot free rinse again. Here comes the dryers. MaxAir. Pull out slowly. Looks like that's not working anymore. Used to. Are these dryers cool? Last time it was laser dry. Security camera. Not sure they're actually drying on the MaxAir dryers. Well, what'd you think of the new PDQ system here at BP gas station? Over here in Motley. Just post a comment down below what you think. It was our brand new car wash system. Thanks for joining us. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks everybody. See you next time.